So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can apply for monetization on Twitter, on your Twitter account. Recently this feature has been introduced on Twitter, by which you can earn money through the Twitter as well. Likewise, you used to monetize your YouTube channel or something else on your Instagram as well. So by this method you can monetize your Twitter account as well. So it is a good source of income for you if you are a regular tweet user, and if you have an audience which watches you, which likes your tweets and retweets them. So you can monetize your tweets. So all you have to do is to just simply open the Twitter account on any of the device. For example, in this video I'm using Twitter web on Google Chrome. So I open the Twitter on Google Chrome. When I open the Twitter, I have to go to the option of you can see at the left window the option of more. When I click there, you will see an option of settings and support. You can see it just right there. When I click there, a small window will again open right in front of me which says settings and privacy. When I click there, you can see a set. I am into the settings of my Twitter account. Now you will see an option of monetization at the second option. You can see it just right there. When you click on this option, you will see a bonus content may available for you via monetizing as well. So it provides a subscription basic to your audience, which pays you some of the percentage of amount Twitter stakes, and rest of is of you. So you can monetize your Twitter via this method. Just simply click on the button of check eligibility. When you can see some of the eligibility for having monetization. You must have minimum 500 followers. You have to be active in the past 30 days, and you have to be at least of 18 years. Once you satisfy all these things, and you have to be this is the most important, subscribe to Twitter Blue. You have to blue check mark on your profile. Once you satisfy all this need, you can simply apply for monetization on Twitter, and a subscription basis money will be provided for you via Twitter. So by this method you can apply for monetization on Twitter. I hope this video will be helpful and interesting for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.